These plants look beautiful, but don't be fooled. Planting them could be the worst mistake you ever make in your garden. They're invasive, destructive, nearly impossible to get rid of. And some, they might even poison your pets or ruin your soil for years. Stick around, because some of these are shockingly common. You might have one in your yard right now and not even know it. Let's get into 15 plants you should never grow in your garden. 1. Bamboo running varieties are extremely invasive and nearly impossible to control once established. Unlike clumping bamboo, running types spread rapidly through aggressive underground rhizomes that can travel many feet from the original plant. They easily invade lawns, flower beds, and even neighboring properties, damaging foundations, fences, and paving in the process. Removal is labor-intensive and often requires repeated digging or even professional help. What starts as a stylish privacy screen can quickly turn into a relentless, root-spreading nightmare that takes over your entire garden and beyond. 2. English ivy is an aggressive, fast-spreading vine that can cause serious damage to both your landscape and structures. While it may look charming, climbing up walls or covering the ground, English ivy quickly becomes invasive, smothering trees, shrubs, and flower beds by blocking sunlight and stealing nutrients. Its dense mats create the perfect hiding place for pests like rodents and snakes. And when it climbs buildings, it can weaken brick, wood, and siding, leading to costly repairs. Once established, it's notoriously difficult to remove, making it more of a long-term liability than a low-maintenance ground cover. 3. Oleander is one of the most toxic ornamental plants commonly grown. Every part of the plant, from the leaves to the flowers and even the sap, contains potent toxins that can be fatal if ingested by pets, children, or even adults. Just touching the plant and then rubbing your eyes or mouth can cause serious irritation, and inhaling smoke from burning oleander is extremely dangerous. While it may offer beautiful blooms and drought tolerance, the severe health risks and potential for accidental poisoning make oleander a dangerous choice for home gardens, especially in family or pet-friendly spaces. 4. Foxgloves, despite their striking beauty, they are highly toxic. Every part of the plant contains digitalis compounds, which can affect heart function and may be fatal if ingested, even in small amounts. This poses a serious risk to children, pets, and even unsuspecting adults who might mistake them for something edible. Additionally, foxgloves can easily reseed and spread, popping up in unwanted places. While their tall spires of bell-shaped blooms are undeniably eye-catching, the danger they pose makes them a risky addition to any garden, especially in homes with curious kids or animals. 5. You should avoid planting mint directly in your garden because it spreads aggressively and can quickly become a major nuisance. Mint sends out underground runners that allow it to take over garden beds, crowding out other plants and becoming incredibly difficult to remove once established. Even a small root fragment left behind can regrow, making control and containment a constant battle. While it's a useful herb in the kitchen, it's best grown in containers where its growth can be confined. Planting mint in open soil is a fast track to a garden takeover you'll likely regret. 6. Wisteria, the Chinese and Japanese types. While stunning in bloom, these varieties are incredibly aggressive and invasive. Their fast-growing vines can quickly overwhelm structures, trees, and even entire sections of your yard. The strong, woody stems can twist around and strangle trees, damage fences, and tear apart gutters or siding. Once established, Wisteria is notoriously difficult to control or remove, often sending out suckers and spreading through underground runners. Native alternatives or non-invasive varieties are a much safer choice if you want the beauty of Wisteria without the long-term destruction. 7. Purple Loosestrife is a highly invasive species that poses a serious threat to native ecosystems. Though its tall spikes of purple flowers may look beautiful, purple Loosestrife spreads rapidly by both seeds and underground roots, quickly overtaking wetlands, riverbanks, and even garden spaces. It crowds out native plants, reduces biodiversity, and disrupts habitats for birds, fish, and pollinators. Once established, it's extremely difficult to eradicate and often requires persistent manual removal or herbicide use. In many regions, it's considered a noxious weed and is illegal to plant, making it a poor and potentially harmful garden choice. 8. You should never plant the tree of heaven, Ailanthus altissima, in your garden because it is one of the most invasive and problematic trees you can introduce. Although it grows quickly and tolerates poor soil, it spreads aggressively through both seeds and root suckers, forming dense thickets that crowd out native plants. Even worse, it releases a toxic chemical into the soil that prevents other vegetation from growing nearby, a process called allelopathy. Its roots can damage sidewalks, foundations, and sewer lines, and the tree emits a foul, rancid odor. Removal is extremely difficult, as cutting it down often stimulates even more vigorous regrowth. Planting this tree is like inviting a permanent, destructive guest into your yard. 9. Morning Glory, non-native varieties. You should be cautious about planting Morning Glory in your garden because while its trumpet-shaped flowers are beautiful, the plant can quickly become invasive and unmanageable. Morning Glory grows rapidly, climbing and twining around anything in its path, including fences, other plants, and even trees, often smothering or strangling them. It self-seeds prolifically, meaning it can reappear year after year in unwanted areas, often taking over garden beds and competing with more desirable plants. Once established, it's tough to control or remove completely. What starts as a charming vine can easily turn into a garden takeover you'll regret. 10. You should think twice before planting butterfly bush, Buddleia davidii, in your garden because despite its attractive flowers and ability to attract butterflies, it is considered invasive in many regions. This fast-growing shrub produces an abundance of seeds that spread easily, allowing it to outcompete native plants and disrupt local ecosystems. While it may seem like a pollinator-friendly choice, butterfly bush doesn't support native butterfly species as effectively as native plants do, and its dominance can reduce biodiversity. Additionally, once established, it can be difficult to control or remove, making it more of a threat than a benefit to your garden's natural balance. 11. You should avoid planting Callery pear, often known as Bradford pear, in your garden because despite its early spring beauty, it has many serious drawbacks. This tree is weak-wooded and prone to breaking during storms, which can cause damage to property and pose safety risks. It also produces a foul-smelling odor when in bloom, making it unpleasant to be around. More importantly, Callery pear is highly invasive. Its fruit spreads easily by birds, leading to the uncontrolled spread of thorny, dense thickets that crowd out native plants and disrupt local ecosystems. Because of these issues, many places have banned or discouraged planting this tree altogether. 12. While tansy has attractive yellow flowers and has been used historically as a natural insect repellent, it is actually invasive and toxic. Tansy spreads aggressively through underground rhizomes and reseeds readily, often crowding out native plants and disrupting local ecosystems. Its toxicity also poses a risk to pets, wildlife, and even humans if ingested. Because of these reasons, tansy is banned or discouraged in many areas, and planting it can lead to more problems than benefits in your garden. 13. Giant hogweed is extremely dangerous and poses serious health risks. This towering plant produces a toxic sap that, when it comes into contact with skin and is then exposed to sunlight, can cause severe burns, painful blisters, and even long-lasting scars or blindness if it gets in your eyes. Giant hogweed spreads aggressively along roadsides, riverbanks, and disturbed areas, making it both a public safety hazard and an invasive threat to native plants. Due to its toxicity and invasiveness, it is illegal to plant or cultivate giant hogweed in many regions, and it should be avoided at all costs. 14. Kudzu is one of the most aggressive and destructive invasive plants known, often called the vine that ate the South. Kudzu grows incredibly fast, up to a foot a day, and can quickly smother trees, shrubs, buildings, and anything else in its path. Its dense growth blocks sunlight, killing native plants and disrupting entire ecosystems. Once established, Kudzu is nearly impossible to eradicate, requiring years of persistent effort and costly treatments. Planting Kudzu is essentially inviting a relentless, garden-consuming weed that can take over your yard and spread far beyond it. 15. Despite yellow archangel's pretty yellow flowers and attractive variegated leaves, it is highly invasive and difficult to control. This fast-spreading ground cover can quickly escape garden beds, forming dense mats that choke out native plants and disrupt local ecosystems, especially in shaded woodland areas. Yellow archangel spreads through both seeds and creeping stems, making it hard to contain once established. It's particularly problematic because it can thrive in low light and poor soil, allowing it to invade natural habitats with ease. What may start as a decorative plant can quickly turn into a persistent and damaging invader. As you can see, gardens should be a sanctuary, not a war zone. Before you plant anything, do your research, or you might end up fighting a losing battle. And if this saved you from planting a disaster, hit that like button, subscribe for smarter gardening, and check out our next video. 25 perennials that bloom all summer long. See you there.